Good morning, everyone. It is November the 19th. It's Saturday. It's the weekend before the opening day of rifle season here in West Virginia. This time last year and years before, we would already be at camp and probably still be in bed right now, but me and Big Al are going over for a morning hunt. May hunt this evening, I don't know. All day hunt, I don't know. There's a lot of things we have to get done and get ready before we do pull out of here next Friday to head to camp. And you know, we're gonna make the best of it. The rut's in. From everybody I've talked to and a few things that I've seen, I mean, I had a big spike here at the house. He was searching. I didn't see a doe, but he was searching. He was high alert looking. So, and I know there's does in our, you know, I've seen them in the back field behind me and over to my neighbor's yard. But like I said, I'm on my way to get Big Al. We're gonna go over and give it another try with the bows. I'll be using my crossbow. It is, at the house it said 20 degrees. It's saying 24 in my truck. There was frost. I had to start the truck and get it going. So y'all stick with us. Next video will be from hopefully the tree stand. Okay, folks, Big Al and I are here. This is the last Saturday before rifle season. We're going to get in here and see if we can hopefully find a nice buck coming through or something. At least that's what I'm going after.
Yeah, me too.
And probably just a half a day hunt. Got things to do to get ready for deer camp. And we're not going this first week. We're going the second week. We will come over here probably Monday and Tuesday and hunt. Thing we're looking at is if we get one over here, it's going to have to be a monster. And then if we get one over here, we take it to get it processed. We may not be here because we're going to leave on Friday to go to camp. And there could be a chance that it won't get done until we're gone and don't have no way to go get it picked up. So, it's going to be a real judgment call come next week on what we shoot, if we shoot anything. So just stay with us. We're getting ready to walk back into the woods. Camera battery on this thing's about dead. I'll have to change it out after I get to the stand. So y'all stay with us. The turkeys have been through here. There's snow out here on the ground. Big Al and I have done split up. Just thought I'd get a little bit of a recording. And one scrape that's still being used. There's no snow in it. It's 17 degrees this morning, people. Stay with us. Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday, November the 19th, the weekend before the opening of rifle season. Big Al and I are over here on the lease. We got snow on the ground. It's 17 degrees. Right now it's 7:14. I've been in the stand since 6:45, and the feeder's going off right now. I've seen a lot of deer paths in the snow, so I know what trails they're traveling. The only deer that I'll shoot today is going to be a big rack buck. I don't want to shoot nothing smaller. We will be hunting over here the opening week, at least Monday and Tuesday, because Friday we're headed up to camp. But just stay with us. Like I said, it's a cold morning. I don't know how long these batteries and these cameras are going to last. My camera arm is froze up. I should have took it home with me the last time. But hopefully we'll see some action. Seen several deer dead on the highway coming over here. So the rut's on. So just stay with us and we'll get back to you. standing there now. They're starting to walk off. I'm having to film with my cell phone. My GoPro died. This cold weather's not good on batteries. But I did find out something coming in. I lost one of my knocks. That sucks. I'd say a briar probably tore it off. But it's about 7:45, 7:47, something like that. Them deer come in here probably 10 minutes after the feeder went off. They got their bellies full and they started to walk off. Now they're on that hillside going towards Jared's stand. So stick with us. I don't know what the temperature is. Sun's out good. Feels good when you stand in front of it. Yes, I've got the shiver, so if the camera's shaking, I'm having to use a cell phone. It's the only thing that's got good battery life right now. But I hear them turkeys, they sound like they're on the backside of that knoll over there. It's about 9 o'clock. I'm probably going to get down out of my stand here in about 30 minutes. Just try to walk around and get warm. Haven't seen nothing since I seen those deer. Other than some little bluebirds. Like I said, I just heard them turkeys and I'd seen where they'd been scratching in the snow. My luck, they'll make their way over here where the corn is. Keep you updated. There's a gobbler over somewhere. Gotta be up there on that knoll. Hope you heard that gobbler. Here it is, November, and he's gobbling. Well, folks, we're getting ready to head back in. It's going on about 15 minutes to 12. We come out and had lunch because we wasn't seeing anything, and we were about froze.
Yep.
Even though I've got Rocky thermals on, 2 or 3 layers, The hands and the feet and my legs was the worst thing that got cold. My torso stayed warm.
Yeah.
But my fingers felt, I mean, they were numb. And my toes was getting that same way. So we come out and went and had lunch, stayed warm for a while. We come back over here, just got over here about 15 after 12.
Yep.
And we're getting ready to head back in. We're going to hunt till about 3.
Actually, 15 after 11.
15 after 11 when we got back over here?
Yes, it's 15 till 12 now.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I couldn't tell time. This morning, I had the alarm clock set for 5, but for some reason, the clock itself jumped ahead an hour. So I actually got up at 4 o'clock and left the house about 15 till 5. I was thinking it was 15 till 6 to get Big Al. Sent him a text. Oh, man, I overslept, and he's getting ready. And I didn't realize it until I pulled in to pick him up. It's only 5 o'clock, you know. So we've been up since about 4:30. But had them, I think it was 2 does and a button buck come into my spot. Big Al heard something but never did see it. So we're going to go back in and we're going to hunt till about 3 and then come on out. And this will be the last bow hunt for the year. I don't know, I might get a bow hunt in after muzzleloader season's over, but by the time all the rifle hunting's been going on and you still have a youth hunt and another late doe season at the end of December.
Right.
So bow hunting pretty much is over with by this time.
Oh, yeah.
But we're going to head back in the woods, so y'all stay with us. And I'm hoping my batteries that's in my backpack for my GoPros, they're fully charged, but I'm hoping the cold hasn't zapped them. So I might be able to get some video footage from the tree stand. I know my Canon's fully charged, but the actual camera arm was froze up. Right. So didn't get the Canon out this morning. So we'll just see. So stay with us. Now Big Al and I have split up. I'm heading out the flat towards Jared's stand. Talked to him this morning, or not this morning, while he's having lunch. And he's going to be hunting the farm tomorrow until about noon because he's got to go to work. In fact, it's going on 12, so he's almost at work. And then I'm going down tomorrow afternoon and we'll get the camper turned around, get it ready to pull out on Friday. Still cold. It's in the upper 20s, or mid to upper 20s. At least it ain't 17. And it's breezy, so that wind chill's even colder. So just stay with us. We'll see what happens. Okay, I've made it here to the intersection. Or go to the left, go to Jared's stand, go to the right, go to my old stand. And I don't know if I'd mentioned, I think I did, in this morning's video, that I lost one of my lighted knocks off my bolt. I don't know if a briar pulled it out or what. These alpha knocks by 10-point Wicked Ridge, they're a little different from knocks that you use, lighted knocks that you use on regular compound bow. It just partially goes into a seating mechanism on the back of the bolt, and then when you fire, that pushes it, seats it home or whatever, and the knock comes on. The battery is activated, and then you have to pull the knock out, pull the battery out, and pull the bulb up to turn the knock off. But when you put it back together, it's basically a 2-click system. It goes in the first click, and then the second click in would activate the light. And I thought for sure I'd lost it. It was gone for good. And when I was coming back out, I came back out the way I came in, Just happened to look down, laying in the snow. There was the knock. I found it, and I put it back on the bolt. So that was one good thing for today, seeing those deer this morning. So I'm hoping when I get over here and get set up, I won't be there long and have a nice buck come in or something. So just stay with us. I'm just taking a little break. Watching the hillside, watching the top of the knoll. You just never know where these deer are going to come from. And then from right here, I can see a rub from right here. We know there's 2 scrapes there by the pine tree. There's another rub right here in a pine right in front of me. So I know there's a buck that travels through here. So we'll see you here in a bit. Right there's that one rub. We come over here to this pine tree. There's a rub right there. And that pine tree where I showed you the first rub. There's 2 scrapes over there. Like I said, I'm just standing here watching this. There's the knoll. And this is where I cut off to the right to go to my old tree stand, which I thought about going out there, but it's not set up for safety harness. So I'm gonna go to my new tree stand. We'll see you there. Okay, it's 12:30. We're back out here for an evening hunt. It's breezy conditions. Tree stand is doing a little squeaking, but if you looked at the videos at the beginning, I had them 3 deer in here. This tree was squeaking back and forth on this stand, and they didn't pay a bit of attention to it at all. Now, if they were walking through and it squeaked, would it spook them? Maybe. But you've got trees that make a squeak like this when the wind blows. You know, one that's, widowmaker, it's falling into another tree. But it's warmed up to about the mid-20s. I don't think we're supposed to get to 30 today. But we're in here till about 3 o'clock. I've already told you all that. And this most likely will be the last bow hunt for the year. And then this coming Friday, we'll be headed up to the mountain. So we saw one deer on Route 60 when we was coming back from lunch and getting warmed up. And, that would have been probably somewhere between 11 and 11:15. So they're moving through the day. So hopefully a nice rack buck will come through and maybe I can get him with a crossbow and end the bow season with something nice. I'm hoping Big Al gets something. I mean, he's went all bow season so far. And come close to maybe getting a shot, but he hasn't made a shot. And you've seen the video I posted Friday night. Jared hunting on the farm. And I just want to thank everybody that's commented so far. I think there's like 20 comments so far. And I think the video's been up for about 11 hours. Got over 400 and some views. But these guys who are commenting right now are pretty much followers and subscribers. And they understand. They know. And, but you know, like I told you at the beginning of that video, and I told whenever I started this channel, you'll see our successes, our failures, our ups, our downs, the good times, the bad times, the slow times, the fast times. We don't sugarcoat it. We're not just going to show you our successes and let it go at that, making us look like we're some TV show or whatever. We're showing you the real hunting. I'm tired of this false information going out that everybody's going to score a 180, 200 inch buck the first time they go out bow hunting. It's not that easy. You can do everything by the book, by what everybody tells you. Hunt the thickets, put this out, put that out. Get to your stand an hour before light. You don't leave your stand until after dark. It doesn't matter. Good Lord don't put it out in front of you, and He doesn't make it happen, it's not going to happen no matter what you do. So just stay with us. I'm tired of rambling on. I just want to let you know, in the stand, ready to hunt. The Wicked Ridge Invader X4 is cocked and locked. Bolts in place. Scope cover is open. I'm just ready for a nice buck to walk through. So just stay with us. We'll see you on the next one. Well, it's 2:15. Haven't seen nothing. Using my little grunt tube, no bleat. That wind's picked up a little bit. I went and got this neck gator that our good buddy Phil Ashby sent us. I was looking for it last night, couldn't find it. I just happened to get in my backpack, and I remembered I put it in the backpack. So probably gonna pull out of here and start coming out of the stand in about another 15, 25 minutes. I told Alvin we'd leave at 3. He's got some things he's got to do. I was only going to hunt a half a day, but after seeing them 3 does outside after we ate, I wanted to come back in. And we wasn't gone very long. Maybe an hour, hour and a half. But that wind is kind of whipped up. Get some high gusts from every now and then. So probably do a closing video when I get back to the truck. Turn the camera back around. Keep my eyes open. Use a grunt tube another time or two. Okay, it's 3:20, and we're back to the truck. We done loaded everything in. this is it for the 2022 West Virginia archery season for us, because Monday is the opening day of firearm season. Of course, we'll be over here on the lease, as you've heard us say many times already. Probably even this video has been told many times. The first couple days we're going to hunt here, spend Thanksgiving with family, and then Friday hook to the camper and go to the mountain. But thought about coming back out after muzzleloader season with the bow, but you got maybe 1 week, and then you got a youth hunt again for does, and you got a late doe season. So usually we don't even hunt this weekend.
Right.
This is the weekend we go to camp, or like right now we'd be at camp.
Yeah.
But this will wrap up the 2022 West Virginia archery season for me and Big Al.
Yep.
Jared, whether he shoots video or not, I don't know. He's going to be hunting in the morning down on the farm for about half a day. So we'll just have to wait and see. It might be part of this video. Again, I don't know if he'll shoot any video. But appreciate you going along with us. I seen 3 this morning. Alvin didn't see any. And that's it. Even this evening, we didn't see anything. So appreciate you watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you in the woods. Thanks for watching.